The Virtus is the biggest car in its segment, with 4,561 mm in length, 1,752 mm in width, 1,487 mm in height, and 2,651 mm in wheelbase. It is a big by design car. These dimensions make the Virtus the quintessential big car that is further complemented by 521 liters of boot space.
Everyone, my name is Marco Pavone, Head of Exterior Design at Volkswagen. It's a pleasure to be here and present the new Volkswagen Virtus. Well, as you know, this car represents everything what Volkswagen stands for. But why that? The car stands of a really nice Volkswagen MQB platform, and the car has really good proportions. But why is that? The car has really long wheelbase, short overhangs on the front and rear, super dynamic A-posts, and really fluid C-posts. The car is super dynamic. It stands for really nice Volkswagen. The car has super crispy, sharp lines, and as well, really well sculptured surface treatment. Super sharp shoulder lines. The handles, as you see, is just a small detail, but it stands perfectly on that. And on top of that, we have sculptured surface, wheel arches, everything that makes the car looking really powerful. When I go now and describe a little bit more in detail the front end, you see that the car looks really wide. But why that? We have super slick headlights and really modern. The day-ready lights help also to give the car a super futuristic approach, but it stretches also the front end, making the car super really valuable. And we play also with nice materials. As you see here on the lower part, we play with the chrome elements to stretch again the front end, and also with the glossy black elements to improve the value that you see also and recognize it from far distances. But it's not just that. We see here, we play also with fog lights right at the corner to make the car super exclusive. You know, but of course it's not just on the front. When you click further, we see here not just in detail shots, again, the same kind of treatment we see as well on the rear end. The same thing that we did on the front, we play again here with this nice material and nice surface treatment. Glossy black materials, surrounded also with some crown trims, giving the car this really sporty touch. The same treatment that we have given on the headlight, we also repeated here on the taillight as well, to make the car super exclusive and as well really wide. The car has super nice stance, really wide and really masculine. But now I can really highlight the difference from the GT line to the basic one. When you go again, we see for instance in this shot, we have spoiler here on the top, GT badge, we have the dark roof, and then when you see again on that picture, we have the GT badge on the front grille as well. We have black mirrors and as well super nice, well detailed dark rims. So it makes the car super special, and nevertheless, you know, the car is really amazing. And let's put it this way, this amazing color makes the car unmistakable from far distance. Well, I hope you enjoy it, and thanks a lot for that.
The Virtus will be available in two engine options, the 1-liter TSI and the 1.5-liter TSI Evo engine with ACT, mated to 3 transmission options, the acclaimed 7-speed DSG gearbox, class-leading torque converter 6-speed automatic transmission that offers high-speed shifting and optimizes the drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission that is smooth and precise, in turn offering instant acceleration. Starting with the dynamic line, the 1-liter TSI delivers a peak power of 115 PS and peak torque of 178 Newton meter that is perfectly tuned to deliver the instant acceleration needed. Our 1.5-liter TSI Evo engine delivers a peak power of 150 PS and 250 Newton meters of torque. The engine is definitely poised to be a best-in-class offering. It has active cylinder technology, and both the engines have idle start and stop that provides maximum power and minimum consumption. As they say, with great power comes great responsibility, which is why at Volkswagen, safety is at the core of our product strategy. The new Virtus is equipped with over 40 active and passive safety features, a high-strength body structure which can absorb major impacts. Some of the key standard features include electronic stability control, hill hold control, multi-collision brakes, tire pressure monitoring system, impact-absorbing body structure, side impact protection beam in doors, electronic differential lock, hydraulic brake boosters, all seats with 3-point seat belts, and 5 headrests which are all adjustable. And the list can go on and on. Further enhancing the safety quotient in the new Virtus, the sedan comes equipped with up to 6 airbags and reverse camera.
Hello everyone, hello India. My name is Thomas Bohorski, I'm head of interior design. And today I'm really proud to introduce you into our new Virtus interior. The special thing about the Virtus interior is the combination of the premium world combined with the digital world and for sure the sportiness of the car. The main key features in the premium feeling are the strong horizontal theme. This is the precision in the lines, for sure the material in the dashboard, the doors and the seats. What makes the dashboard really special is the huge horizontal panel with the glass optic which runs from the dashboard into the doors, and the combination or integration of the new display in the center and as well the digital cockpit in front of the driver. Together we have the treatment of not just the premium but as well the sporty feeling when you drive the car, when you feel the car, you feel the performance, together with the driver orientation in the dashboard and the center console. We are really sure to achieve, not just the premium but as well the fun in the car. What is really special here to point out is the digital cockpit, which is what I mentioned already, is not just a display in the front of the driver and the center screen, as well the climate control, which is digital as well, and all these things make the car really special. Not even in the top line, but as well in the GT version, as you can see it behind me. So especially here with the red, precise and characteristic lines in the color, we offer even more sportiness in the car. And as well, what supports the GT version is the ambient light in red color as well. The HMI skin, you can see it here in front of the driver and the driver display. As well, the aluminum pedals, they give you a really nice racing feeling as well in the Virtus. And for sure, the special fabrics with the really precise red stitchings there. The stitchings we do have not just in the front seats, as well in the rear. So altogether, we have a really nice, timeless, but as well really progressive interior, and for sure the whole car is really impressive. So I wish you enjoy, fun, and stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas. The premium, tech-enabled, practical and connected car offering indeed makes the Virtus an appealing proposition. Moving on, the new Virtus is equipped with infotainment and connectivity features such as a 20.32 centimeter digital cockpit, a 25.65 centimeter touchscreen infotainment system, wireless app connect, wireless charging, 4 USB sockets with 12-volt charging points, 8 speakers with immersive sound which are standard across the range, and the My Volkswagen Connect eSIM dongle-equipped infotainment system. Complementing it are the host of comfort and convenience features that make the journey of every occupant even more comfortable, with the auto headlights, Kessie push-button start-stop, ventilated front leather seats, height-adjustable head restraints, and a 60/40 folding rear seat. The list goes on with smart storage, a cooled glove box, smart touch climatronic AC, an electric sunroof, and rain sensors. With such a comprehensive package on offer, the Virtus will be available in 6 vibrant exterior color options. The dynamic and performance line have been differentiated with the design language and powertrains. Both the line structures offer class-leading features to our customers, which are standard. LED headlamps across the range are standard. Both the variant classifications get R16 wheels with black alloys on the performance line. Touchscreen infotainment system with App Connect is standard across the range. An immersive sound experience with 8 speakers are standard across the range. Foldable rear seat backwards are standard across the range. And of course, not to stress too much, safety features which come standard on the Virtus. The new Volkswagen Virtus is big bet design, is the best package in the segment, and is powered by the globally acclaimed TSI technology that offers maximum power with minimum consumption. The Virtus comes with a distinguishing GT offering. It has safety features to protect and secure the occupant, and it will come in 6 vibrant exterior colors. The pre-bookings of the new Virtus starting today across our 151 sales touchpoints and across all our online booking platforms. Thank you for being such a great audience. Stay safe and enjoy the Virtus. Thank you.
Volkswagen.